Hi, my name is Jake and I'm from Aurora Middle School. Today we are going to be doing hands-on equations using pawns and cubes. So to start off, a blue pawn equals x, a white pawn equals the opposite of x, and together they make a pair of 0 and they cancel each other out. Then a red cube equals a positive number, a green cube equals a negative number, and if there is 2 of the same number, they make a pair of 0 and cancel each other out. So my first problem is 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. So right here I have it set up. So I'm going to start by getting rid of these 2 blue pawns. So I'm going to add 2 white pawns to both sides, or the opposite of x. So now I can take away pairs of 0. So here's one pair of 0. But now I have to do it on both sides. So I take it away here, and I take it away here. So now I want to isolate these 2 blue pawns. So I want to get rid of the 3. So I'm going to do that by adding a green 3 to both sides. Now this equals a pair of 0. So I can take that out. And 7 minus 3 equals 4. So now to get the x by itself, you want to divide by 2 on both sides since there's 2 x's. So now I'm going to divide by 2, so that's 1, and divide by 2, and that's 2. So x equals 2. Our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. So I have it set up here. So I'm going to start off by getting rid of these. So by that, I'm going to add 3x to both sides. So now I have pairs of zeros, and I can take them away. And that's a legal move because the scale is still even. So now I have 2 equals negative 10 plus 4x. So now I want to get rid of this negative 10. So in order to do that, I'm going to add a positive 10 to both sides. So now this cancels out, and this equals 12. So now you have 12 equals 4x. So now you want to get one x by itself. By that, you can divide by 4 on both sides. So here, 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. So x equals 3. So our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So right here I have it set up, and I'm going to start by making a pair of 0 on one side. So I have my blue pawn and a white pawn, and so I can take those away. So now I want to try to get rid of the white pawns over here. So by that, I'm going to add 2 blue pawns to both sides. So now I have 1 pair of 0 and 2 pairs of 0. So now I have 5 equals 4x plus negative 3. So I want to get rid of the negative 3. And by that, I'm going to add positive 3 to both sides. So now this is a pair of 0, and it cancels out. And now 5 plus 3 is 8. So now we have 8 equals 4x. So now you're going to divide by 4 on both sides because there's 4 x's, and you want to get 1. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So x equals 2. Thanks for watching.